Whoa, whoa. Oh yeah, yeah. One time, whatever you want, you can have it. Your faith is a currency, yeah. If it's in your mind, you can reach for it. If you only just believe. If you look into your mind, you can see it. The beautiful thing you created. With faith, you can reach for and claim it. Claim it, claim it. Look into your mind, see it. The beautiful thing created. With faith, you can reach for and claim it. Claim it. Wow. If you seek, then you shall find. Knocking, it shall open for you. Call, then you shall have anything you want. Seeking, you shall find. Knocking, it shall open for you. Whatever you want, you know you can have it. If you believe, it's yours to see. You see, since you believe, it's yours to see. You see, yeah. I walk by faith and not by my eyesight. It's by my faith that I can seek and find. I know my senses may not lead me right, so I trust the one that lives inside. He guides my very being. He is my light, he's my everything. The one who created the stars, made the earth, Pluto, and Mars. Has the universe in his palms. I put my trust in him. I call on him and he answers me. God of creation, God of salvation. I trust in him. So when I seek, I shall find. Knocking, it shall open for me. Call, then I shall have anything I want. He'll come. Seek, I shall find. Knocking, it shall open for me. Whatever I want, I know I can have it. Since I believe, it's my you see. It's my you see. Since I believe, it's my you see. Yeah. I work by faith and not by sight. It's not by power and not by might. I work by faith and not by sight. It's not by power and not by might. I work by faith and not by sight. And not by sight. Whoa, and I seek, I shall find. Knocking, it shall open for me. Calling, I shall have anything I want. He'll come. Seek, I shall find. Knocking, it shall open for me. Whatever I want, I know I can get it. Since I believe, since I believe, it's my you see, since I believe, since I believe, oh no, I'm chosen. So many times I wonder why. Like, why did you choose me? Why would you care about my life? Now I know that I know that I know that you love me. And I'm sure that I know that I know that you called me. Out of the many others you saw me, you called me, you chose me. Oh, righting my wrongs, you do it. Yeah, you didn't have to do it all. You didn't have to do it all. And just like a new creation, see, I'm gonna tell the nations, I'm so glad that you called my name. I'm so glad that you love me, love me. Every day you're there when I need your Holy Spirit breathing in me. I know the plans you have for me, so whether it's heads or tails, I'm still winning. You took your blood and covered my shame, and I will never be the same. So I'ma shine bright so the world can see that I'm chosen. I'm chosen. Lord, you got me singing like. Lord, you got me singing like. You're chosen. Lord, you got me singing like.
What's up, chat? What's up? Morning, everybody. How you guys doing? What's up, Andre? What's up, Jet? Ate Che, how you guys doing? Good morning. Let's see what's your drop the energies in the chat. Let's go. Drop the energies in the chat, gang.
Wonderful Savior, I love you. I know that these things, they come and they go. One thing's for sure, that your word for me won't go cold. So I'll stay here with you in my heart, I won't fade, no. I'll keep going strong with my head up, 'cause I know these things will all fade away. I know that they are not real, so they don't fret me now. So I close my eyes and walk through, 'cause I know who I am. All things work together. All things work together First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah, with judgment coming from all angles. I'll never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. Since you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica, and my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today, and why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him, to push, still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays, Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang, and that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today.
What's up? What's up? What's up? Good morning. What's up?
Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody.
What's up, everybody?
And any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Way, the real childhood friend.
What's up, Art? What's up, Che? Let's go. Good morning, everybody. Shout out to 13 viewers right now.
Pray for my niggas, they ain't glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swang through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout, so you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer too.
What's up, John? Good morning. What's up? How you doing? Good morning. Let's see what's here. Drop some energies in the chat. Drop the energies in the chat. Let's go. Man, we moved 400, almost 500 pip today. Ooh, 1,100 pip. Damn. Oh, damn. All right. Give me a second here. All right, gang. How you guys doing? Welcome to the YouTube live stream. What's up, Sing? Good morning. What's up? Let me do the top down here. Let's start with the weekly. So the weekly, we still have 3 days. Okay, we still have 3 days and 14 hours for this candle to close. All right, on the weekly time frame, and I'm still expecting that this weekly candle will flip because we have some gap here today or yesterday. We opened with some gap here, so we don't have any bottom wick too. We don't have any bottom wick on the weekly previous candle. So yeah, I'm expecting some liquidity grabs after this flip. Probably top this area, 3,710 area. Yeah, minimum. So yeah, that's the weekly. Let's drop to the daily time frame. So the daily, as you can see, open of the candle, we just move up here. We move already 757 pip on the yesterday candle, right? 750 pip. We don't have any I would say bottom wick, no top wick closure. Right now we just moving up crazy. I believe we move up almost almost 500 pip here. Move 463 pip already on the daily time frame, daily candle. But we have some reactions on the 3,872 area. So let's see on the 4 hour here. So 4 hour, no top wick, no bottom wick, no top wick, no top wick. So yeah, there is a high chance that we might see some corrections today because of this some closure. No bottom wick, no top wick, no top wick. So yeah, let's see. 4 hour here is about we still have 1 hour and 14 minutes for this candle to close. We move 255 pips on the 4 hour candle move down. All right, so 1 hour here, we have minor levels here on price that we need to be aware of. As you can see, we just tap the support here on the 1 hour and then the candles react. Okay, now we have support form here. We have resistance up here. So the overall range on the 1 hour is this. We have 228 pip, we have 228 pip range. Okay, so that's the one. Let's see on the 30. So the 30, as you can see, we have minor levels, the same thing, right? The support here, resistance up here. Okay, 15. Yeah, so it's very decent range to trade today. As you can see, we have how many pip? We have, yeah, 200, almost 250 pip range. So let's see. Let's see what will happen on this range. So resistance is up here. We need to wait for candle to close to form a new support form here, right? One, two, three, four candles are moving down on the 15. Yeah, the same with the 30. The 1 hour is about to close in 13 minutes. So let's see. Let's see here. We still have clean range going down here. We still have I would say 169 pip range. It's really clean on the 30 minutes time frame, but we need to see closure below. Once we see closure below here, yeah, there's a high chance that we can move down. Fill that range on the left hand side. But yeah, right now the price is heading to the support level. We see some reactions here on the 30 and the 1, right? So we need to wait for candle to close. I need to see this candle close probably bullish like this. And yeah, probably taking buys on the next 15 minutes candle. But we need to see the bottom wick re-break the previous candle low to take buys up. Yep. So that's the top down today. I'd say I'm still bullish on price here, but I'm open for taking sales too, right? I'm still bullish on price, and I need to wait for some support form to take buys. And for sells, we need to wait for candle to close below the range to take sells. And I'd say this is gonna be we have structure been created here on price. This is gonna be the range one here. We're going down to range two now. We see the candle close below is gonna be the range three, right? Range three is for me it's a little bit tough because we need to wait for a candle to retrace. And then we're gonna wait for candles to form our new resistance before taking sells. But yeah, let's see. Because right now we're heading to the third range. Range 1, range 2, range 3. A lot of volume here because the candle closed without any, top wick, right? Candle closed without any top wick. It's no range to move up. It's highly likely retrace or pull back or candle close doji on price like this or bearish doji, right? Like this. But right now, as you can see, we're pulling back. The price pulling back. Let's see what will happen here if we're gonna close below. And we have candles here that closing with the small body, so it indicate that the volume is getting lower once the candle close with small body. But the next 15 minutes candle push down. So yeah, still volume is there. But let's see how this candle gonna close. We've been gonna close bullish or close below the range. 10 minutes for candle to close. for 30 minutes candle of pushing down. So yeah. Right. Shout out to 23 viewers right now. If you guys have any questions, drop it in the chat. Make sure you like the stream, subs to the channel. We're pushing down. We're pushing down. One hour, 30 minutes is pushing down. Nice, nice, nice. We're going back in the range. Chat, if you have any questions, okay? Drop it in the chat. So right now, I'd say we cannot take buy on this price. No. Because there's no rejections here that have been created here. We're just moving up, right? We're just creating a structure to move down. Now, if this candle react here and gonna push up, now we're selling here. And then once the candle push down here, we're buying here. That's how price is gonna move. Daily, man. The daily, it's gonna flip today, probably. Daily is flipping. Wait, do we have news today? Oh, we have news on the Joel Jobs opening. All right, Australia. Inflation has fallen sustainable since the peak in 2022 as higher interest rates have been working to bring. Chad, make sure you always look for the news too, like especially Trump tweets. Like the Trumps will announce something. This will affect the market, especially on gold, especially on the USD pair. Mm. What's up, Reese? How you doing? Reese TB. Oh, Canadian bank holiday today. Wednesday. Wednesday. PMI, okay. And PMI tomorrow. Unemployment claims Thursday, Friday is NFP. Yeah, NFP. Um, yeah, NFP. NFP. Oh, damn, NFP. All right, we're closing below the range. The range 3. Range 3. Wow. We're moving down. We're bleeding today. Bleeding. Oh, damn. Bleeders. Leaders. 3 minutes for candle to close. Damn. What a move. What a move. What a move. All right, candle close below. I don't want to take sell because one, two, three, we move a lot already, and we're in the range three breakout. Range one, range two, range three, range three. Mhm. What if we close inside the range again? So I need to wait for this candle to form because we have 15 minutes, and as you can see the candle look like this. Okay, we have a steeper bottom wick here, so I'd say I need to wait for a candle to close with the re-break of the previous candle though. This is gonna be nice. Once you re-break that, this is gonna be and then candle close back in the range. That's the advantage there, taking buys up. But if that didn't happen, I'm gonna look for sells. Okay, I'm gonna look for sells once this candle close above. I mean back in the range. It's okay, right? Now I'm gonna wait for some resistance form. Once the candle retrace here, resistance, then I'm gonna take sells. That's gonna be the idea. Chat, make sure you like the stream, all right? Like the stream and subs to the channel. Shout out 27 viewers right now. If you guys are having a questions, drop it in the chat. Drop it in the chat. If this candle closed like this, man, this is gonna be nice impulse entry here on price. Feeling the range on the left. Taking sells on the re-break of the low. One, two, three, four, five, six candle are pushing down. Wow. Six candle are pushing down here. Corrections might see some corrections today. Correction move. This structure on the left. And one candle can sweep down. Or the next. 4-hour re-break. Alright. The 4 hours re-breaking the low. The daily is about to flip bearish. Damn. Boom. Boom. 111 pip on the 30 minutes candle. 15 minutes candle too. Holy smokes. Volume time. You have checked your Instagram stories and you're making awesome progress at the gym. Thank you, bro. Chat, is volume time. As you can see, man, we're moving down. 124 pip in one candle. 5 minutes candle is moving 100 pip. Damn, crazy. Damn, the 1 minute candle is rallying towards to the downside here. Oh. Oh. Yeah, without us. Without us. Holy. Look at this 5 minutes candle, man. 123 pips. One 5 minute candle move 123 pips, man. Can you look at that? Cha, one of these days, we're gonna grab that volume while we once we got that trade. We're gonna see that volume 5 minutes and 1 minute candle will gonna push heavy. This kind of candle, 47 pip. Man. Oh, Eric got that W. Oh, you got 30 minutes breakout. 30 minutes breakout, really nice here, as you can see, right? So the reason why I didn't take this trade, because we move a lot already. Okay, as you can see, one, two, three, four candles are moving down. Even though we're heading to the downside, we're heading to the range three. So it's range three. Okay, so for me, it's 50-50 probability that this candle gonna move down. Okay, so as you can see, we have range one here. This is gonna be your range one, and we're heading to the range two, and this is gonna be the range three. So range three for me, I need to wait, all right, for some retracement and able for me to take sales. All right, because even though we close below the range, it's okay. I don't have any FOMO. For me, I need to practice more on my edge on range three, because this is the range three. I know that we have volume, but I need to see that chart. I need to see. I need to practice more on how this gonna works. All right, I'm always doing range one, range two, but range three for me it's not. I'm not familiar for range three yet. So yeah, let's see. We need to wait for candle retrace to retrace, because we move a lot already. We move almost 400 pip. We move 375 pip, and the daily candle is about to flip bearish. All right. So the four is about to close in 47 minutes. So yeah, right now it's waiting time here, because the price melt already. You cannot chase the move. Right. The bottom was the TP. Wow, nice. W Eric. Chat, if you have more questions in your mind, drop it in the chat. Give me a second. 140 pip move on the 15 minutes candle. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Who got the trade this morning, chat? Who got the trades already this morning? Who got the buys again on the all-time high, and then who got the sells here? Mhm. Damn, we keep pushing down here, chat. Man, holy smokes. We keep pushing here. We keep pushing. Looking for buy? For now, not. I'm not gonna look for trade. I need to wait for candle to form because we move a lot already. As you can see, we move. I'd say 500 pips. Yeah, 430, almost 450 pips. The daily flip already. So yeah, it's gonna be bearish for me, right? For taking sells, I need to wait for candle to retrace. Taking buys on the bearish momentum is really hard. Because we never know. We just need to adapt, right? We never know. because if you're gonna take buys here on the support, it's really risky because the volume might push down because you're gonna see some correction move. All right, so yeah, man, we need to wait. We need to retrace, probably like this. Right now, we just need to wait for the price to move down here. No FOMO, no nothing. We got the trade yesterday. All right, everyone's happy. We took the trade. We got some sales yesterday, man. 32, 18 pips on the live. See, as you can see, we got the trade. So, yeah, man. Right now, we need to be relaxed. We need to be chill. I got two trades yesterday too. So, man, I don't need to chase any trade today. The same trade, same structure yesterday, right? Resistance, stopping resistance, move down heavy. So, right now, we need to wait. All right, gang. Waiting is the name of the game. In trading, waiting is the name of the game. Right. So yeah, let's wait. 30 minutes about to close here. Damn. Oh, damn. Holy smokes. We're moving down heavy. Waiting for the next bus. Yeah, true that. We're gonna wait for the next bus. Mm-hmm. Damn, we're still moving down. Wow. Holy gold. Goldie. It's moving heavy today. Damn. Ooh, 539 pip in just 4 hour candle. Can you look at that, chat? Bleed. Look at this kind of range here, gang. 15-minute range. Holy smokes. 542 pip. Damn. I told you guys that's why I don't want to take buys here because there's no structure, right? There's no reactions been made here on price yet, right? There's no structure that price reacting on this area. If you want to take buys on the range, right, on the support, you should wait to, for example, this kind of move, right? Resistance been formed there and then move. Now you need to wait for structure to be formed again, retest the resistance. Advantage here is you're gonna take sell. And once you retest this again, advantage is you're gonna take buy. That's how you understand the market structure, the range, right? Because if you're gonna buy here on the support, it's really risky because there's no structure being created on price. There's no rejections, no nothing. So price can move down heavy. Asian session bullish, London bearish, New York. I don't know, and I don't have if the Asian set. I don't have any edge on if Asian move up, if London move down, if New York consolidate. I don't have, I don't know about that. Okay, London push, Asia push. Okay, I don't know about that. I just know about how to read candles. You don't need to be worried about Asian push up, Asian move up, London move down. So what if the session move down every man? The market will move any directions today. Okay, the market will always move, right? Now the questions is how you gonna be patient taking the trades, taking follow your plan every single day. How candles should print to go long here? Right now, if you wanna take buys, we need to wait for support for our support form, re-break the previous candle high here like this. Previous candle low. And yeah, probably taking buys to retest some range on the left, or this is the first idea to take buys. You need to wait for candle to close bullish, re-breaking the previous candle low, or if the candle close didn't re-break the low, you need to wait for some resistance form, right? So you have range now, support, resistance, support here. Now you need to wait for candle close above the resistance to take buy, right? This is the buy. Right, for sales, we need to wait for candle to close below for sales. So that's the idea, right? You don't need to worry about Asia high, London low. I don't care about that thing, and I don't know that. I only care, matters for me is just a volume. Matters for me is just a candle close, where the candle move. Because we open, so let's say I open a stream, right? I open the stream and we do the top down analysis there, and then the price just melt. The price melt right here, and then we're waiting for candle to close below the range. Candle close below the range, but I asked myself because we have range one here, right? Range one, we have range two. So I asked myself, I don't have any edge right now. I don't have any practice on how we gonna trade the range three because we're heading down to the range 3. So I don't have any practice on the chart because enable for you to take a trades, you need to practice those trades. If it's really working, it's really profitable, yeah, take that trade, take the opportunity. But I don't have, for me, myself, I don't have any practice on range 3 because we're heading down to the range 3. So that's why I didn't take any sells. So right now, I need to wait for candle to retrace and able for me to take sells. I need to wait for candle to move up first, make a new resistance form, then taking sell. That's my idea there. That's the high probability setup. Because right now, we know that we're heading to the downside right now. As you can see, we're just bearish, heavy bearish on price here, right? You know that we have some structure on the left. Now we're moving down. The 4-hour candles is melting here, crazy, as you can see, right? The daily is flipping bearish. Now we have an idea right now that we are bearish for the day, for just for the day. But we need to wait for the candle to retrace first. Make a new resistance form here. Once the candle make a new resistance, you are good to take a sell because you have the bias for the day that we are selling. Right? That's the idea. Where would you place take profit? For me, taking profit, it depends on how you're gonna take your profit. For me, I'm happy with 15 pips, 20 pips, 12 pips, sometimes 10 pips. I'm happy with that. As long as you're happy with the trade, so yeah, you're happy with the profit. Because I'm not a swing trader, I'm a session trader, right? Session trader, scalper, you call it. Yeah. Damn, bro. We moved down a lot here today. 633 pips. And we're not taking any profit on those kind of moves. Sometimes it's man, yeah. Sometimes trading like this, the market will not give you profit in just early candle probably. We're just sitting. I'm sitting here for 1 hour now, and the market didn't give me any setup. Right, as you can see, the market, the 1 hour candle, chat. As you can see, the 1 hour candle move almost 400 pip. That was crazy. Damn, it's still melting here. Too many right now. I would say too many buyers has been clapped here on this area. Right, this area too. There is a buyers that gonna wait to top this zone and then taking buys again because they say, "Oh, I'm really bullish on gold right now. I know gold is gonna push up heavy 4,000 area." So yeah, right now we need to wait, gang. You guys need to wait. I don't know if we're gonna grab some trades today. Hopefully we're gonna grab, but if not, it's okay. We're gonna come back tomorrow if no trades today. It's not every day. It's not trading day. Chat, make sure you like the stream. Can I see 20 likes in the streamer? Like the stream, gang. Support to the channel, subscribe, like, share. 1 minute for candle to close. 15 minutes candle closure. Mm-mm. Chat, 20 likes in the stream, man. Like the stream, subs to the channel, just like the stream. 12 minutes for candle to close. You don't take a buy because this candle didn't break the low. Yeah, I'm not gonna take buys on this scenario. No buys yet for me, right? So if this candle close bearish, bullish, yeah, you have form support. Now you're gonna wait for some structure here to be great. Buying here is really not good, right? Buying here is not really not good right now. You need to wait for structure to form. Probably, yeah, once this candle close, this is buying here is really good. You need to wait for market structure first before buying up. No structure, no buys. Mhm. Chat, if you have any questions, okay, let me know. Drop it in the chat. No Venos today, huh? No Venos. Do you use the Fib? No, I'm not using Fib. I don't know how to use Fib. If this 15 close bullish, would you buy? Would be would buys be valid? No, it's not valid, bro. It's not valid. Okay, candle gonna close weak bullish, so there's no probability that the next candle gonna push up. And one thing here, you have steeper bottom wick here too. Okay, good buys here is once the candle close probably like this. Okay, and then the next 15 minutes candle re-break this previous candle low and close probably like this. That would be nice buy on the next 15 minutes candle, right? Or probably close like this is good. It's the same, right? As long as you have clean traffic here on the left. This is clean traffic, so the buys is good there. Once we close, re-break the previous candle low and close bullish, taking buys on the re-break of the previous candle high, that's the buy. And stop loss should be, if you wanna put the stop loss here, current candle stop or previous candle stop, right? So yeah, that's gonna be the idea. But right now, man, no buys yet. Price is pushing heavy today. Price push heavy today. Morning, bro. Just joined. Hope you had a meeting day. No trade so far, man. Yesterday, yeah, we got the trade. We got some sales yesterday, but today, nothing. Nothing for me. Oh, this is gonna be good impulse, but I don't wanna take sales on this re-break of the low. We need to wait for 30 minutes some fresh resistance. Last day of the month. Yeah, it's last day of the month. A lot of volume. All right, 4-hour candle open, 1-hour candle open. Damn. Nothing today, gang. Chat. Man, we might see some consolidation here right now because we move a lot here, and the 4 hour need to take time here. We still have four. We just open. The 4 hour just open here. We might see some consolidation here on price, and volume might come on the free NY 3 p.m. Dubai time. So, yeah, man, I'm gonna call it a stream here, chat. Thank you guys for tuning to the live stream. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. So no trades for me today. Gonna see you guys tomorrow. So if you're gonna trade later on tonight, make sure you have stop loss. Alright, we have news later on tonight. So yeah, gang. See you guys tomorrow. Love and wisdom to you all, chat, and peace. I'm out here.
The crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I want to lay away or deposit, my dad would say when you see clothes, close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie I ain't talking about the rich ones, cause every summer he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And hey, I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying, for me giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince would do. If not for the pledge, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible. Now they know they invincible. Hey.